Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a lot of discussion on the recall feature that Microsoft wants to implement in the new PCs. And I get asked a lot of question about, well, isn't kind of recall maybe illegal because it's going to snoop on everything that you do, and could it be illegal in some countries or not? Is it a huge privacy issue? So there's a lot out there, and there's been a lot of YouTube videos that I've seen. Some friends have sent me some YouTube videos of some tech guys that talk about it in either bad or good or are concerned. So the way of doing something is important, and recall feature is, technically I don't see any illegal things in it, and one simple reason. It can be turned off, and you can choose what it will look at. So already there you have choices, and you can turn off whatever you want. You can fully turn it off, says Microsoft, if you want to. The other thing is, nobody's snooping. It's just your machine looking at what you do, giving you the possibilities of finding a lot. Now, yes, it's a lot, and I do agree it's a lot. There's a lot of people out there that think it's a privacy nightmare, that Microsoft will take the data or whatever they did say. Again, I think it's this week they released another post to say, no, all the data stays on your PC, is not looked at anywhere. It's encrypted also, which means even if they take the file, they would not even be able to see what's in it. And so it all plays with Microsoft's own reputation on the way it does things, and that's probably the biggest issue. Microsoft built itself on a reputation of mistrust, and a lot of people aren't trusting Microsoft. One, for some of the things they did in the past. Two, for all sorts of ideas, some that are false, but are very, very, they're out there and people believe them. Some that, well, you're asking yourself questions sometimes, how, up to what point can you trust a big company like Microsoft? And, tons of things that even in the own Windows 11 operating system and Windows 10 is making people say, well, I'm not sure that I want to use this. It's not fair that we have to turn this on or have this, a simple thing that already for a lot of people is a problem. Just look at diagnostics and feedback. The fact that you cannot turn off completely. You can turn off the optional diagnostics, but the required diagnostics, there's no off on switch, which for Windows 10 also was a problem from the start. So, this is where Microsoft is positioning itself, and people not trusting it because it's doing things that we don't like, and a lot of people end up doing what? Simply not trusting anything they do. So as for being illegal in some countries, every country and every continent has different rules. Look at the European Union. I'm sure there's going to be something that's going to be looked at with the recall feature. And it, could turn out that in some places it might not be available. I don't know. We'll see what happens next. But, the way they're doing it, I don't see anything illegal personally, because it can be totally turned off. It's not as if, it's there and you have no options and no choices. And also, I guess we'll have to also wait and see what are the total choices if you do decide to use recall. What are the options available when you're using it too? So I guess we'll know a lot more when all of that is available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.